Dude, what happened to my hair? Why is it like that? Oh my gosh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, AmandaEnsing. Oh, my nose is itchy. Today's video is going to be episode 2 of my Beauty at Home series. I ordered this kit over a month ago. We are going to be attempting to laminate our brows at home. Oh dear Lord, be with us. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot and helps to push my video up in the algorithm and for people to actually see my content. So please do that, and also please subscribe if you have not already. It really means the world to me and helps me out a lot. So don't forget to hit the little like button, smash that down below, and let's just do this. So if you guys remember, I uploaded a video all about brow lamination. This was 2 months ago, but it literally feels like years ago. I mean, this whole quarantine has felt like a lifetime. Am I the only one? In that video, I got my brows professionally laminated. That was the first time I had ever done it. And I had a lot of people who liked it and a lot of people who said it looked like I was scared all the time because my eyebrows were like, I don't know, up. But I love big fluffy brows. I love the way brow lamination looks. Professional brow lamination can get really, really expensive, and it's not a super long-term thing. Obviously your brows grow, you wash your face a lot. I believe it's 6 weeks or so. Mine personally lasted, I would say 3 or 4 weeks, and then they kind of started to fall. I was like, I need to check this out, and I thought this would be perfect to try in this Beauty at Home series. So I purchased this lash lift kit off of Amazon. I'll link this one down below, but I paid $32.99 on Amazon. It has almost 5-star reviews. It had 3,400 reviews. I don't know how many uses you can get out of this kit, but it is a multi-use kit, and you can curl your lashes or laminate perm your brows. I like my brows to be a little bit more like this because I feel like it lifts the face. My brows grow downwards and it kind of makes my face droop. This is what's inside the box. I haven't even opened it yet. So you have cleaning tool, lift pads, your perm fixation, nutrition, cleanser, and then there's also a false lashes glue. I'm gonna say a little prayer real quick because please don't burn off my brows. The first thing it's telling me to do is use the cleanser number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. So this is number 4. Put it on here. Wait, oh, how do I open this? Oh, tweezers. All right, I think I can do that. First step, done. Done, honey. The way we're gonna do this is similar to the directions on the box. It's just gonna change a little bit since we're not doing lashes. I followed my friend Ryan Potter's video because he got the same kit and he did it. And so I just kind of watched his, and I'm gonna follow what he did because his brows looked really good and hope that I can get the same results. First thing we're going to do is take the false lashes glue. I'm gonna take this glue and just apply it through the brows. I'm gonna be brushing my brows throughout this process too. And you can kind of brush them however you want them. You can brush them all straight up, or you can brush, you know, out angled up towards your hairline. Now I'm gonna take the perm. This is the number 1. They have this little plastic stopper, so I just take some tweezers to get it out. I'm just gonna take this little brush and apply the perm. Oh, it smells like hair relaxer if you've ever gotten your hair relaxed, or also kind of like hair dye. Like, it just smells like chemicals. But I'm gonna apply a generous coat of the perm. Like, that's literally what we're doing. We're perming our eyebrows, putting it out into the universe that this is gonna look great, because if not, I'm screwed. The only thing you need to buy that's not in the kit is some saran wrap. I just used regular saran wrap and I cut it. You can buy them pre-cut, but I just literally cut mine because it was easiest. And yeah, let me just make sure these are how I want it. So I'm gonna put this on, look super sexy. All right, I'm gonna put a timer on my phone for 12 minutes. This is the part of the video where everyone's like, I'm gonna read a book or sip my tea, but I'm probably just gonna sit here on my phone and hope that my brows don't come off. But I wish I could be like, you know, reading a book or something right now, but I'm too anxious, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Maybe watch some TikToks and watch some cute dog videos. They're kind of burning. Is that normal? Oh my gosh, what if my brows fall out? Now we're gonna go to the next step, which is using the fixation number 2. Let's see how this one smells because other ones smell bad. Okay, the perm smells so bad. It's triggering me to when I was in middle school and I got my hair relaxed because if you didn't know, my hair is super curly and I hated it when I was little. Now I'm trying to grow it back out. Ironic, huh? So we're just gonna apply a good amount of this, the blue one, the fixation. This is gonna hold it in place, apparently. And I cleaned off this brush. I'm using the same brush. Honestly, it's kind of hard. Like, you need a small brush to fit in here, so most of it's going on the handle of the brush, but it's okay. We'll just brush it through. Should I brush them out again? Just in case. It's okay if I'm doing this right now. Just to make sure they're like, you know, staying up and ready, honey. Wow, these brows is thick. Back to my saran wrap. Yep. I'm gonna do another 12 minutes. Back to TikTok. I'm back and better than ever. Now we are done with the saran wrap. It smells so bad. Step 4, we're gonna use the cleanser. This is to take off any excess residue. You could probably just use a makeup wipe as well, but I'm gonna use the one that's in here. Honestly, this is probably like a micellar water, TBH. And I'm gonna try to cleanse them like upwards. Look at, ooh. I think I actually did it. I might have done something here, you guys. Brow lamination can be damaging. This is like a perm, like I said earlier. So you wanna make sure you hydrate your brows. They put a little nutrition. This is step number 3, which I don't know why the cleanser is for, because this goes after it. But this is a little oil. You can literally use any oil that you have. You could probably use a skin oil or a hair oil, since brows are hairs. Anything that you have. I'm gonna use this since it came in the kit, but I actually have a little Olaplex. I forget the number that it is, but it's the little golden oil Olaplex. I bought that when I did my brow lamination a few months ago because the girl who did mine recommended to do it so your brows don't get too dry. And especially if you want to keep up with the brow lamination, you wanna make sure you keep your brows healthy, because y'all know how long it takes for brows to dry. I'm just gonna put this on my finger and put it through my brows. It smells like not weird, but kind of weird. You wanna make sure not to wash your brows for at least a day. That's what I was told when I got mine done, so I'm going to stick with that. I'm going to trim them and shape them a little bit. You can do it any way you want. I'm just gonna take a little bit off of the top with some brow scissors. They're pretty big right now. That's why it looks a little bit crazy right now. This is the final result. I just used some of this Benefit Goof Proof. I almost couldn't say that word. I'm using a different lens than I usually do, so I can't zoom in super far right now. So I'm like just gonna get close to the camera so you guys can see how the brows look. Honestly, I think they turned out really good. I mean, I'm not that good with brow shaping. I usually get my brows done. I'm not like the best at it, but I think they turned out pretty good. I think I could even like trim them a little bit more. I'm always so scared to trim my brows because I'm afraid I'm gonna take too much. And right now, me and my brows, we're in a good place. You know, we're getting along, we vibing. It's, you know, it's working out. So I don't want to, disrupt that relationship. My favorite thing to use with laminated brows is a felt tip brow pen. I don't know where mine is because I still haven't unpacked all of my makeup since moving, but I'm going to find it. I like the Urban Decay brow blade a lot. I can't wait to put on makeup. I think it's gonna look so good, but I love big brows. So the only downside to brow lamination is that when they get stuck down, it like really is stuck. So sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you're just like, it looks a little bit funky. I'll usually keep a little spoolie in my purse just so I can like make sure they stay up. The perm kit definitely works. I just think the hardest part is the shaping, and that's why I would recommend a professional if you can't do it. But obviously it's gonna be way more cost effective to do it at home, and I'm definitely going to keep practicing and learning how to do it at home because it was really fast and really easy. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder than it was, to be honest, and if I can do it, y'all can do it. Honestly, thumbs up for Amazon and thumbs up for inexpensive brow services that we can do at home instead of going to get them done. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up if you like how they turned out, and if you hate how they turned out or it's not your thing, also give the video a thumbs up and show me some love. I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see me do next or try on my face or whatever for beauty routines at home. I'm sending you guys all my love. Hope you're staying well and motivated. I know it's hard. A lot of us are tired and it's a really weird time we're going through, but we'll get through this. I can't wait for this to be over. I'm so ready for normal life. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.